Hey everyone, today we're going to be trying the viral TikTok Birria Bomb, so let's get started with the video. This is the viral Birria Bomb. It's supposed to have all the seasonings needed for birria, and it makes making birria way easier. With this, all you have to do is sear the meat, add the water, and then drop the bomb in and let your birria cook in the Instant Pot or slow cooker. Super easy, right? Well, today we'll be testing out if they're just as good as the ones made from scratch. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, dice 2 onions. One diced onion will be used for the broth, and the other will be used for the tacos. Next, chop up some cilantro. When you're finished, set your onions and cilantro to the side. Next, cut 3 to 4 pounds of chuck roast into pieces. When you're finished, set your Instant Pot to saute. Then add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the pot. Once the pot is hot, sear the meat for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Make sure to sear your pieces of chuck roast in batches so you don't overcrowd the pot. Once you finish searing the meat, take it out of the pot and repeat this process with the rest of the chuck roast. When you finish searing, turn off the heat and place the chuck roast back in the pot. Then add 1 diced onion and 1 to 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. By the way, you don't have to add the onions and garlic, that's totally optional. I just added it for a little extra flavor. Next, add 4 cups of water. Now add 1 Birria Bomb. Next, close the lid and set your Instant Pot to meat stew. Once the birria has finished cooking, unseal the vent and wait until all the steam has been released. Then remove the lid. Alright, when I open this up, it smelled just like when I make birria from scratch, so we're off to a really good start. Next, take the chuck roast out of the pot and place it on a cutting board. Then remove the fat from the broth. After removing the fat, I tasted the broth and it tasted really good. Alright, moving on. Now shred the pieces of chuck roast. When you're finished, all you have to do is make your tacos. Dip your tortilla in the fat from the broth and place it in a pan over medium heat. Make sure both sides of your tortilla are coated in the fat. Then cook the tortilla for a bit on each side. Next, add shredded mozzarella cheese, some of the shredded beef, and some onions and cilantro. Then fold the tortilla and cook the taco until it's crispy on each side. Repeat this process until you've made as many tacos as you want. When you're finished, go ahead and plate everything up. And this is the finished result. These tacos were so good. The Birria Bombs totally work. They're super easy and convenient and save a lot of time. Not only that, but they taste just as good as birria made from scratch. I highly recommend these. I'll have the link to the ones I used in the description below. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!